Hello friends. Today we're diving into one of the ultimate comfort classics, mac and cheese. It's creamy, cheesy, nostalgic, and endlessly adaptable. I'll walk you through what to buy, exactly how to build a silky sauce and the perfect bake, plus a longer look at where this dish came from and how it became a global comfort food icon. To make a comforting dish of mac and cheese, you'll need some short pasta like macaroni or shells, plenty of butter, flour, and milk to create a smooth base sauce. Of course, the star of the show is cheese, usually a good sharp cheddar, but it gets even better if you mix in something like Gruyere, mozzarella, or even Parmesan. A touch of mustard or nutmeg can really lift the flavor. And for those who love a little crunch, some buttery breadcrumbs on top will make it perfect. Preparation step by step builds a silky, stable cheese sauce and perfect bake. Cook the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the pasta and cook it until it's just al dente tender but with a firm bite. You want the pasta a little underdone because it'll finish cooking in the oven. Reserve about a cup of the starchy pasta water before draining. It's a secret weapon if your sauce needs loosening later. Make the roux. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, melt the butter. Add the flour and whisk constantly. For about 1-2 minutes, you want a pale roux, cooked enough to lose the raw flour taste but not brown it. This base is what gives the sauce body. Add the milk slowly. Gradually pour in warmed milk while whisking to avoid lumps. Keep whisking until the mixture thickens into a smooth bechamel. It should coat the back of a spoon. If it's too thick, whisk in a little reserved pasta water or extra milk. Season and enrich. Stir in the dry mustard or Dijon if using, a pinch of nutmeg, salt and pepper. Lower the heat. Now add your cheeses in small batches, stirring each handful in until fully melted and silky before adding the next. Tip: always melt cheese on low heat. High heat makes cheese grainy and oily. Use freshly shredded cheese from a block for best texture. Combine with pasta. Mix the drained pasta with the cheese sauce in a large bowl or in the pot. Taste and adjust seasoning. If you want the stovetop, creamy version, this is where you can stop and serve. For a classic baked mac and cheese, transfer the sauced pasta to a buttered baking dish. Topping and baking. Sprinkle the breadcrumb butter mixture evenly over the surface and dot with a few extra knobs of butter or a light dusting of grated Parmesan. Bake at 180–190 degrees Celsius. 350–375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20–25 minutes until bubbling and golden on top. For an extra crisp crust, broil for a minute or two. At the end, watch it closely. Rest and serve. Let the dish sit for 5–10 minutes. This helps it set so you can get clean slices and the sauce finishes thickening. Serve with a simple green salad to cut through the richness, or alongside roasted vegetables or barbecue. Mac and cheese might feel like the ultimate American comfort food, but its story actually begins in Europe. Early versions of pasta baked with cheese appeared in Italy as far back as the 13th century, and from there the idea spread through Europe, especially in England. In the late 1700s, Thomas Jefferson helped bring it to America after trying it during his travels. He even served macaroni and cheese at the White House, which really helped the dish gain popularity. By the 1800s, it was showing up in American cookbooks and soon became a family favorite. During the Great Depression and World War II, mac and cheese became even more popular because it was inexpensive and filling. And when boxed mac and cheese was introduced in the 1930 seconds, it turned into a household staple. Today, it's enjoyed everywhere, from simple home-cooked versions to gourmet takes with fancy cheeses or even lobster. No matter how it's made, mac and cheese remains one of the most loved comfort foods in the world.